Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Screensaver on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So you have this button here that says Screensaver at the top bar. So if you click on this, it's going to take you to the Screensaver. If that does not work, then you're definitely going to have to come to all settings. You're going to go to System and Ambient Mode. So if you click on Start Now, the same thing happens. You go to the Screensaver. So that's how you turn on the Screensaver on Chromecast. Now, if you're still blocked, you may have to come over here under, as you saw, settings. If you click on Start Now, you have the screensaver turned on. So I've given you a good number of methods on how to turn on the screensaver on Chromecast. So try that out and enjoy the beautiful screensavers Chromecast has to offer.